Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, and what a lovely looking car it is. 2014 on a 64 plate Volvo V40. This is the R-Design Lux D2 1.6 turbo diesel with the automatic gearbox, 5 doors, finished in rebel blue, and it has covered just 28,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk round of this really striking looking V40. Always fancied one of these in this colour myself. Looks lovely with the blue and the diamond cut alloy wheels, the contrasting silver mirror tops. 5-door family hatch, 28,000 miles, like I say. 5 stamps in the service book, so really well maintained. And just the 2 owners from new as well. £20 a year to tax on these D2 models. You've got the twin chrome tailpipes, look great. £20 road tax. Volvo say that you'll get 70 plus to the gallon on a combined run as well, so really economical car to run. And obviously you've got the 5 doors and the practicality of an automatic gearbox, so definitely a good family option. This is the R-Design Lux specification. So you get the full leather seats that are in great condition as you'd expect for the mileage. Bolsters all good, no rips or tears. Got the leather centre armrest there. Very much the Volvo layout on the interior that you come to expect. A classy finish. Remote central locking, of course. You get 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. As we take a look inside, you've got automatic lights. Up onto the R-Design steering wheel that you can see is embossed in there. You've got controls for the radio and also the cruise control and speed limiter. A couple of cup holders. Underneath the armrest in here, you've got USB and a 12-volt socket, along with another 12-volt socket down below. Normal handbrake. Then you've got 2 remote keys. There's your auto gearbox. Obviously you can knock it across as well if you want to do it in sort of a semi-manual mode. And then you've got all your bits and bobs here. Air conditioning, of course. There's your mileage, 28938. I'll just put the keys into the slot, so it's foot on the brake, push the button, away we go. And your infotainment pops up now, or it will do in a minute. Glove box over here, you've got your handbooks, etc. But really nice and tidy. Here we go, we're away now. So, all comes through this system here. DAB digital radio if you want it. Of course, you've got your Bluetooth as well, and you can plug your media in. Also, it's a really nice layout, straightforward. And then you can go onto a sort of trip computer and it's got all your service details and tyre pressures and whatever else. Obviously start-stop facility, as you can see from the button there. Really nice layout on the dash. Just a nice place to be, as with all Volvos these days. And of course, safe as houses. Carpet mats which run throughout. And into the back again, lovely and tidy. You've got 3 headrests, so you can comfortably fit 5. Couple of cup holders under the middle seat there. Isofix as well for the child seats, and you do get electric windows in the back as well. Then these nice diamond cut alloys round to the back, and then into the boot space itself. Good size, parcel shelf. You've got split folding rear seats. And then the boot space itself, ample for a car of this nature. And underneath you've got your inflation compressor kit, just in case of emergencies. So there we go. 2014 on a 64 plate V40 R-Design Lux. Automatic 1.6 turbo diesel, just 28,000 miles, 5 stamps in the service book, 2 owners from new, and £20 a year to tax. Finance is available from £243 a month with a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT. We'll also be servicing the car, and it does come with 2 remote keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment-only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us for our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Please remember, if you've liked this video or you follow our page and like cars, please do give a thumbs up to the video, really does help. And also subscribe to our channel and you'll get a new notification every time we post a new car. Thanks for watching.